Hi, Vaughan here, and in this video, we are going to go through and create a GMC account or a Google Merchant Center account. Let's jump over to a screen share and get started. Okay, I'm over here at google.com/retail, and we're going to go through and click on either start now or sign in. Now, you can sign in if you have an existing Google Merchant Center account. However, I would highly recommend if you are starting a new store, then link that new store with a new GMC account. So it's best to start fresh. But let's go through and do that. So we'll start now. Now we need to sign in. Okay, two options here. If you already have a Google account, you can use that. That's no problem, as long as it doesn't have a Google Merchant Center account associated to it already. Or you can go through and create an account. So I'm going to go through and create one because I don't have a Google account associated to my Zafty demo store. Let's click on create new, and I'm just going to do for personal use. And I'm just going to call this support. Actually, I'll call it Zafty. Last name's optional anyway. Okay, just come up with any month and day here. It's fine. Not really going to matter. We'll just do 1980 or something. And that's okay. All right, now the email address here, I would highly recommend just using your existing email address that you created with your store. My one is support@zafty.com. You can get an Gmail address if you want. That's no problem as well. It'll be, something like zafty@gmail.com or something. I just like trying to keep everything the same so I know what's going on. So let's go through and do that. Okay, now we would have got a code sent to our email address. So let's just jump back into our webmail and we'll see whether that has turned up. Okay, here is our email code that Google's just sent. So we'll just copy that and put that over here. Now we can just create a password. Okay, perfect. Now just go through and agree to that. Okay, so now we're in our Merchant Center setup. These are important. First of all, we need to answer yes, we're going to be selling products online, and we put in our store website. So our store is https://zafty.com. And we do not have a physical store. So click on no to that. Okay, that's fine. We'll just go through and click on next here. Okay, this is for the business info. Now my business name is Zafty and registered in Australia. Now this does not matter. I'm going to be, because my store is in the United States, it's fine to have this as Australia. This is just the business info. This name's going to be the one that comes up in your merchant center as well. So that's fine. You just call it your store name. And I don't want any of those. So we'll just click on continue. And here we are in our Google Merchant Center. So it's as easy as that. I'll go through in the next video and explain how to go through and set all these things up. Okay, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.